What the heck you won't?
What a movement, huh? Meltdown. Congratulations, P-head. You deny the faith.
I'm not denying the faith. I accept my faith in the sanctuary. You are going to hell and you will be dead, man. Do I get a death wish on you?
No, not mine. You'll pick A, kill Yuki, B, kill yourself, and C, death wish.
You better not do that on purpose, you shadow prick.
I'm just saying dude,
I'm
because
not your dude. And yeah, how about I will beat the Satan out of you, you skunking shadow thief.
Fight me, you'll be stuck in the darkness.
Don't make me do something I don't wanna!
You asked for this big...
Your choice, funny guy.
Who you think you're hitting? Are we finished?
Stupid shadow dishwasher. He tried to ignore me for no reason. I need to rest my body as soon as possible.